Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to save your Canva design. Without any further ado, let's get started. First, make sure your design is already open in the Canva editor. You should be seeing your project workspace where you've been working on your design. Now, the great thing about Canva is that it actually auto-saves your work as you go, but there are times when you might want to force a manual save to ensure everything is properly stored. To do this, look at the top menu bar and click on File. This will open a drop-down menu with several options. From here, simply click on Save. This action will manually save all your recent edits directly to Canva, ensuring that everything you've just created or modified is securely stored in your Canva account. This is especially useful if you're working on something important and don't want to risk losing any changes. Now, if you want to save a copy of your design to your actual device, the process is slightly different. In the top right corner of your screen, you'll see a button labeled Share. Go ahead and click on it. This button is your gateway to exporting and downloading your designs in various formats, making it easy to use your work outside of Canva. Once the Share menu opens, look for the Download option and click on it. This will bring up a new panel where you can choose how you want to save your design. You'll see different file type options available, such as PNG or PDF. Each format serves different purposes. PNG is great for images you want to use online or share digitally, while PDF is better suited for printing or maintaining high-quality documents. Select the file type that best fits your needs by clicking on it. After you've made your selection, you'll notice a download button appear. Click on Download again to begin saving the file. Canva will now process your design and prepare it for download. This might take a few seconds depending on the size and complexity of your design, so just give it a moment. Once the processing is complete, your file will automatically be saved to your computer's download folder. You can now access it anytime, share it with others, or use it however you need without requiring an internet connection or logging back into Canva. And that's it. You've successfully saved your Canva design both within the platform and to your device. If this video helped you out, be sure to leave a like, subscribe, and I'll see you in the next one.